guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because you guys have been requesting a How to Quilt series for a really long time. Now I do have some videos here on my YouTube channel, but I really wanted to do a specific e-course just for beginners where I can walk you through step by step from start to finish the entire quilting process. We're gonna have a lot of fun in this class. I'm gonna talk about supplies, some of my favorite places to get fabric, some of my favorite supplies, and then of course I am going to start from ground zero and we're going to make an entire quilt from start to finish together in this e-course. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, I'll put a link in the description box below this video. Head on over and I hope to see you in class.